Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 72 Monte Carlo. 383 stroker under the hood, beautiful interior. Now we're gonna get outside and drive it. We're gonna get it up on a lift and show you the underside. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on this Monte Carlo. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. Now come on up and we're gonna fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out. I tell you what, the painter on the car did a phenomenal job. The pinstriper too, man. Beautiful pinstriping on the car. Now that paint is laid on there slick as can be. The metallic is nice and even. You can tell the detail on this car is amazing. Now the chrome looks great. The chrome on the headlights looks great. The grille looks great. The headlights themselves have been upgraded to a new style headlight. When you look down the side of the car, sharp as can be. Now it's like a pepper gray on top, and then it changes to the green down here, and then it got a double pinstripe running down the side, looking great. Great looking set of American Racing wheels on it. Straight as an arrow. Even the door buzzer works. Let me grab the key so we don't have to listen to that. As you can see, the door panel looks good. All the upholstery in there is beautiful. Wood steering wheel. The simulated wood on the dash looks good. The faces of the gauge look good. All the lenses on the gauges look great. We got seat belts in the front on this car, but there are no seat belts in the rear. All the trim looks great inside. All around the back windows looking good. The package tray looks awesome. The dash pad itself's in beautiful shape. Really sharp looking car inside and out. And check out even the door jamb, how nice and clean that baby is. There's some great looking flames here and the pinstriping. Now the chrome on the back bumper looks like it's brand spanking new. The trim here on the rear valance looks good. You can see they brought the stripes right to the back. And then the gray here on the deck lid also. Inside the trunk, all nicely finished in there, all sealed up. Wheel wells look good, back sides of the quarters look good. All the gutter system here around the outside of the trunk openings, nice and tight. The lips on the deck lid look good. When you look down the side of the car, she's straight as can be. Beautiful bodywork on the car. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we own all of our inventory here. So we spend the time to check these cars out before we buy them. Right now we have a little over 240 cars in stock, and we own every one of those cars. Now we brought in 45 new cars over the last month. We're always bringing in new inventory, and I'm involved in buying every one of those cars here at Vanguard. So what that means to you is you're getting my help, you picking out your dream car. All right, let's take this 72 Monte for a ride. What a sweet ride it is too, guys. I tell you what, there's not very many of these cars out there. These things are sweet. Very, very desirable car right now. Guys are looking for these every day. I tell you, a lot of these cars got driven because they were so cool. Guys drove them into the ground, so to find one in this beautiful a condition, really, really rare. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this Monte Carlo to you no matter where you live in the world. So just call Tom at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. And if you want some help with financing, we can help you out with financing too, no problem whatsoever. Now look down here on the dash. You can see the speedo's working, the tach's working, then we got a 3-pack of gauges down here underneath the dash. All the wood grain here on the dash is looking good. All the lenses are nice and clear on the gauges, looking great. I'm gonna flip around here in the BMW dealership here. head back to the shop. Now, when we head back to the shop, we're gonna do something there at the shop that you don't see anybody else in the industry doing. We're gonna put this car up on the lift so you can check out the underside. Then we're gonna get the hood up, check it out under the hood. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Monte Carlo investment. You can see cornering no problem. It's running great, trans is shifting awesome. Just a amazing ride here, guys. Now, we're real close to the airport here at Vanguard, so if you'd like to come out, check it out in person, we'd love to have you. If you'd like to drive out, we're open on Saturdays. We're here till 3 o'clock on Saturday. Just let Tom know you're coming so we can make sure we got your favorite car up front. We do have 80,000 square feet of storage indoors with over 230 cars in stock. So every now and then we get a few cars that takes a minute to dig out. You can see I'm driving with no hands, so it's going nice and straight down the road. Brakes feel good, it's running awesome. Like I said, when we get it back to the shop, we're gonna get it up in the air. We're gonna show you the bottom side of it. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on this Monte Carlo investment. You can see all the reflections in the hood. You can see the blue sky. You can see the trees. You can see the street signs. It's got a beautiful paint job on it. And the mufflers got a great sound to it. It's got a tough sound to it. It's part of the headers and the whole exhaust system. Sounding great. But you know what? It's not too loud to get you in trouble with the police either. This wood grain steering wheel feels great in the hand. The power steering feels good, and it's got good acceleration too. That's about quarter throttle, set you right back in the seat. Now here's our building here. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Now stick with us because we're gonna get it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath the Monte Carlo now, and as you can see, the chrome on the back bumper looks good. Bottom side's nice and clean. The exhaust is fairly new here. It does have drum brakes in the back, right around a 373 gear in here, and it is Posi. It looks like the lower control arms have been replaced. They do have the braces that the SS cars came with on here. It's got an aftermarket upper control arm setup on it here. Floorboards are nice and solid. Moving forward here, we've got a 4-speed automatic trans up here. It does have some shorty headers on it. We do have disc brakes up front, and we do have drum brakes in the back. Guys will make sure they take those apart, make sure they're in good working order. Sway bar bushings look new. Core support looks good. Chrome on the front bumper looks great. I mean, nice solid car underneath, guys. Let's look at wheels and tires. All right, we got American Racing aluminum wheels here, and let's see if we can find the size. 235/60/15s. Let's look at the rear. All right, out back here, the wheels are in great shape, just like the front. We got two 35/60/15s. All the trim's in good shape. Wheel lip moldings look good, and those rocker moldings, the moldings on the bottom side of the door, also beautiful. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a 383 stroker. It does have AC on it. That pump's all polished up. It looks like it's got a fairly new master cylinder and brake booster, so it is power brakes. It is power steering. We got a polished up alternator here. We got aluminum valve covers with the weigh-in aluminum stealth intake with about a 600 CFM 4-barrel Edelbrock sitting on top. It's nice and clean under here, guys. She's a Monte Carlo. These cars are really hard to come by. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.